Good beautiful morning, guys. Sorry, I've been eating a little breakfast. As you guys know, don't even want to talk about what happened in the Penguins. Just know that next year we're gonna come back strong. But good beautiful morning, guys. We're gonna be heading to the gym, work up some legs with Brandon. I'm gonna show you guys my baby, my little puppy. I'm gonna show you. She's so cute. We brought her like a new clothes. This beautiful day, dudes. Such a beautiful day. I guess we're gonna come. What the? It's random basketball right there. We're gonna come into the Evo, guys. Bang on. I know, guys. It's gonna be cleaning. Look how green it is with the pollen. My dad recently cut the grass, so it's like all like green and stuff. Definitely needs a car wash. I'm gonna wash it today. Put some sunscreen on, and we're gonna get to moving. So yeah, let's go. I already got some little trash in there from yesterday, but I went and watched the Penguins game on John's house, and we lost. So literally didn't say anything and literally just stepped out. Nice. There we go. But good beautiful morning, everybody who's watching this. I stay out here. It's so hot. I gotta bring this car down. Dang, guys, look at this car, man. It's a beast. All right, let me show you guys the little doggy. Wow, bro, you let him run away, bro? Wait, look at it. Look at the little bit. Look how cute she looks. All right, so we're gonna be heading out soon, guys. So next clip probably might be washing the car, and because it's gross. Let's go. Look at that. Look at the color, bro. But look how dirty it is. Look how it glistens. Okay, y'all can see right there. Bam, guys. We started already cleaning the car. So you can see how bad it looks, man. I gotta respray this joint. The tires already been cleaning. As you can see, they're the cleanest thing of the car right now. So it's super nice. The Evo right here, washing it. And then we got Brendan over here. So what's up, Brendan? Also cleaning his tires. Is it coming off easy? Yeah. Isn't it the best cleaner?
I'd say so.
Look at all that. Just wait until you put your tire cleaner with the shiner. It's gonna look so nice. You also been heating this, right? So it doesn't dry up, right? Yeah. Good. Try to spray here next time. Or you gonna do 2 coats? I'm already in my second one. Alright guys, so let me do the second coat and then show you guys the final thing. But right now we're gonna spray it down one more time and soak it down and use the shampoo, the car shampoo, to get the whole thing all cleaned up. So let's get this thing started. Alright guys, I'm still washing the car. I literally just now sprayed the tire cleaner. Alright, and now we are installing my God at the seats. And now we're installing my dash cam, which you guys can buy on eBay, Amazon, whatever you guys buy stuff. I'm gonna wire it through down here and then all the way over here. Yeah, I just tested it, it works. So we're gonna have it like this. I don't know if I want to keep like that or just like wire it some other way. But for now, I'm gonna have it like that. And yeah, let's get this little thing going on. Alright guys, just finished washing the car. I'm about to, I guess, go play some basketball with my brothers for a little bit. And now I got the dash cam set up. All looking nice, wired already. Ran it through there, and through the seat, and then down there. And now I gotta go and clean up everything. And then yeah, we should be ready to head out. Look who we got here, and look who we got here. We got John's WRX. Nice WRX. I'm gonna race, hopefully one day. But yeah, so we're gonna go shoot some hoops real quick. There's CV. Only OGs will remember this. Listen. Only OGs will remember that. This is back when my GTS. Alright. What's up? Yo, look at this dirty piece of crap.
You need my car, I don't care. What's up, bro?
Look at this. Look.
That's the problem with having my car.
I literally just washed my car. What do you think? Look at my wheels. Look. Oh, are you listening to it better now?
Yeah.
Look, what do you think?
It's nice.
It's sort of like wet. I gotta drive a little bit more so I can air dry.
Nice shoes, but don't have socks. You crazy.
Style.
Peace out, bro. Peace out.
Where you going?
I'm gonna go back to come to your home.
There's Evie's WRX right there. And then Brandon's little Civic. Guys, look how clean it looks. Look how it shines. Beautiful. I quick detailed it from my wires. Looks good as I bought it, dude. And it looks like the previous owner did plastic dip it and he took it off, but there's still more plastic dip there. I'm gonna bring Google on another day and try to remove all the black plastic dip. How the shine, bro. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video, guys. There's a beautiful Evo in the background right there. Yeah, next one we're just gonna go to the mall with my sister and my mom, hopefully, if I feel like it. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video, and then yeah, subscribe because I'm gonna be posting more content with the Evo. But yeah, definitely suggest. Look how nice it looks from the dash cam. Looks like you when someone sees your car, they're gonna see the dash cam and they're gonna be like, oh crap. They're gonna think twice before trying to do something to your car. And also, guys, it does record and it does have a loop recording, so you can literally have just in case of an accident or something. Yeah, it's always good to have a recording to show insurance and stuff like that. Yeah. Ooh, look how the tree and the car look. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more videos because I'm gonna be posting more for the Evo. And that's all, guys. Have a good one. It's locked.